Today we're going to change a thermostat, an Old Faithful. Miss Tinsley's going to help me real quick. Show you a quick and easy way. So far I've drained the water out of the bottom and the plug. Got the hose undone. Took the bolt off. You can't see it down there barely. I already took the front bolt out. Let's see if we can. Broke the rear one loose. See this little magnet? Pick it up maybe. There we go. Grab that, Tim. Let's see if we can snake the thermostat out. Look at that. Piece of cake.
And then we're going to be changing out that.
Yeah, we're going to change that out as Miss Tinsley described. What are we going to change out, Tinsley?
We're going to be changing out that one to a brand new one that we just went and bought.
From where?
Napa.
Yeah, and then we're going to flush the coolant. We went and got a bunch of water from Winn-Dixie, distilled water.
Right there.
And let us clean this one up and get the new housing ready. We'll get back with you in a minute. Here's how long the factory thermostat lasted. If anybody can see it. 283,000. The only reason why I'm changing it because it's winter time and the truck really don't heat up.
Yeah.
So, get Miss Tinsley to hold the camera real quick. I'll show you how I'm going to line this up. I'm pushing buttons. As you can see on here, there's an arrow and a notch.
And so we're going to take that off and we're going to put a new one on.
Here's a new one. It's got a notch. We'll line it up with that arrow. Just like that.
And then we're going to twist that butt off to like still push it where it's back where it was.
Yeah. Yeah.
There we go.
All we gotta do is put it in the truck, right?
Mm-hmm.
Or follow me over here and climb up on the truck.
Sure. Gonna get on Old Faithful and see that we're going to be fixing on Old Faithful. He's over there taking that off.
Alright.
So basically what we're doing is we're changing that out.
Shine down the hole.
So yeah.
Clean it up just a little bit.
It just died. Damn.
No, stay recording.
Okay.
We'll edit that out.
Sorry. Sorry, Dad.
No problem.
And then, so we're gonna put that one
the new one
back
back in.
where it was.
Just fish it down in there.
And this is easy peasy.
Even a 6-year-old can do it, right?
Yep. I'm about to.
Just like that. Back
And then we're
in.
gonna put this back onto that.
Yeah.
So.
And then we'll stick the bolt down in there. Use my little handy dandy magnet.
That's really handy.
Just like that.
And then he has his handy dandy thing from his birthday. And then we might crank it up and we'll take it for a ride and see how it goes.
Oh, we still got to flush the coolant.
Oh yeah.
So let me get that buttoned up. We'll be right back. Alright, what we doing?
Alright, so we just got the thing done.
Thermostat put in.
Thermostat put in.
Now we just tighten up the two 10mm bolts real quick.
And then we have to drain the
We'll flush the coolant.
And then we'll coolant. And then we'll be done.
We got EGR cooler too.
Alright.
Put the hose back on.
And then I'm gonna do a video. And then we're gonna screw that back on and
Took a whole 5 minutes to change out a thermostat on the 6-liter.
Yep. I got to ride belly school today. Because when we were riding
Alright, everything's tightened up. We'll grab the water hose. We'll fill the degas bottle up. Crank the truck. It's already good and hot due to we just drove to the auto parts store and got a thermostat.
Yep.
Then we'll flush the coolant. Then we'll add it with distilled water. Run it. Flush it again 2 more times. Then we'll fill it up with some coolant. Should be good to go. Alright, here we are. We got the thermostat installed. Now we're flushing the block coolant. Got the water hose stuck in the degas bottle. Got the valve open on the bottom of the radiator. Trying to flush all the nasty old coolant out. Then we'll seal it up. I'll flush it with distilled water twice. And we'll add coolant. Should be done. Well, Tinsley will be done with it. It does have the Power Max turbo on it too. Alright, we got all the distilled water flushed through it twice. Let's grab this drain plug and put it back in. Alright, all we gotta do now is fill it up with coolant and top it off, and hopefully the heater will be good and warm in the morning.